now it's starting to rain, guys. Okay, I'm not that comfortable. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm a little scared right now. Like, not even funny scared. Oh gosh, it's starting to come down now. Taking off here. Holy crap. Let the beat rock. Here we go. Celebrity, y'all get hit with a boom, boom. Kind of strange formation here. Really strange. It's kind of scaring me. Hey, look, it's the U.S. with Mr. Pickle in the middle. With the big nose of his and his chubby smile. His two broad eyes and his big afro with the devil horns. What the? Ah, he's opening his mouth. He's eating some of the dark clouds. Oh, that was weird. Oh, was that just lightning? I think that was just lightning. And thunder? Yeah, thunder. I don't want to get struck by lightning. That wouldn't be very fun. Guys, a little help would be nice. I'm gonna, like, move away a little. Still strange formation there in the east. Whoa. I wish the cars were in the garage right now. Okay, good. We're moving back to the south. The clouds are a little lighter. As you can see right now. Oh, not right, but it's raining. It's raining a bit harder than it was. Not the best thing. Just kidding. I wasn't struck. Okay.